Part 2. Here we're going to talk about the product and quotient of an exponent. So let's talk about the product first of all. So the product of an exponent basically means that when we have something like 2 times 10 to the fourth power, that product to an exponent applies to the 4, the exponent applies to everything inside the brackets. Now, whether that's a 2 times 10, whether that's a 2 times x, whether that's a 2 times p, the 4 applies itself to everything in the brackets. So it becomes 2 to the fourth power times 10 to the fourth power. That's 16 times 10,000 equals 160,000. So everything that's a product of a power, product to an exponent, you want to make sure that you have it as the number in the brackets. Those are product. Okay? So it's the two things that are multiplied together. And of course, the word product means multiply. So two things that are multiplied together, and the exponent is applied to everything inside there. All right. So that's the product of the exponent. Now we want to deal with the quotient. Product means times. Quotient means divide. Right on. So now we have the quotient to an exponent. So quotient means divide. So as you can see, we've got divide here, 3 divided by 4, to the third power. That basically means that the 3 has the third power applied to it, and so does the 4. So the 3 to the third power and 4 to the third power ends up as 3 to the third power is 27, and 4 to the third power is 64. That takes care of the quotient to an exponent. So you want to look at it from the point of view of quotient means divide. So when you have a dividing question with an exponent, that exponent gets applied to everything inside the division. Okay? All right. 3 more of product to a quotient. 3 more, product to an exponent, and 3 more of quotient to an exponent. So 3 of product, 3 of quotient. Go give it a go.